Hello, this is Josh with MarineMax in New York. We're looking at the Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. This boat has the classic white hull, comes with a great trailer. You have the rail package with both high rail and the inside grab rails. This boat comes with the standard Mercury 40 horsepower 4-stroke motor. Great ladder to reboard the boat when you're swimming. Nice helm area, cup holders. Little storage locker here in front for your anchor or anything else that you want to put in there. This is a very simple boat to own. Just wash off at the end of the day and done. If you have any questions about this boat, give us a call at MarineMax in New York. We'd be happy to help you. Thank you.